Iron can be produced in a thermite reaction by reacting iron oxide with aluminium. This displacement reaction could also be described as redox, reduction oxidation. Explain in terms of electrons which particles have been oxidized and which particles have been reduced. Okay, the thing we need to remember here is oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. Let's have a look at the equation, then we can figure out what's gaining and losing electrons. So we start with iron 3 oxide. So that is going to be Fe, iron, 3 plus ions, Fe2O3, O2 minus ions, and that's reacting with aluminium. Now this is displacement, so the aluminium displaces the iron, taking the oxygen. So that's going to make Al3 plus ions, O2 minus ions, Al2O3, leaving Fe iron all on its own. So elements are not charged. So the iron starts as 3 positive, okay, and has got to go to iron. So how does it get from 3 positive to neutral? Answer is it's got to gain electrons. Electrons are negative charges, so it's got to gain negative charges to take this away. So that's going to gain electrons. Okay, the aluminium was neutral. Okay, it's an element, it's neutral, and it's gone to 3 positive. So how does it become from neutral to positively charged? And the answer here is it's going to lose electrons. Electrons are negatively charged, so that's going to lose electrons. Okay, so oxidation is loss of electrons. What's losing electrons? The aluminium. So the aluminium is oxidized. Okay, explain in terms of electrons. So we need to say what's happening to the electrons. Aluminium is oxidized, losing electrons. So the iron, okay, is gaining electrons. So reduction is gain of electrons, is reduced. The iron is reduced. Why? Because it's gaining electrons. All these questions on aylsham high chemistry.com.